Hi, today in front of me OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So to hide the applications from your device home screen or the apps menu, you should open first the settings, then scroll down to the privacy section, then you'll see here hide apps section, just tap on it, and after that you'll see here all of the applications on your device, and to hide some of your applications you should click here to the switchers. Now we should set a privacy password, so click to the settings. We could use 6-digit password or to use a different password type. For example, I'll use the pattern. Let's twice enter the pin codes, passcodes, or drop the patterns. Here you will see the security question. You could use one from these available questions or to set your custom question. Now I just enter the answer, tap to OK in the right upper corner, and now we should set the access code just when you hide your applications to access the hidden apps. We should open our dial pad. I'll show you how you can do that. So just tap to the settings now, click to hash key, enter your pin code, one more time hash key, then just tap to OK, click to done. Now we could just hide all of the applications if you want. To find them, to hide your hidden apps, open the phone app, tap to dial pad, enter the hash key, your pin code and hash key, and now you'll see all of your hidden applications. To unhide them by the same way, you should go to the settings, to privacy, tap to hide apps, enter your privacy password, and you'll see your hidden applications. To unhide them, click here on each of the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.